Bunga bor luiske de laura trí. Ceachta hain Dhuit. Gníomhaíochta hain drámaíocht. Anis fáistí éistí leis an aglah leathanach I cethair. Bhí nasa I rang a trí, bhí buachal nuas a rang. Hiag an buachal nua in aice le nasa. Thosaí nasa I caint leis.
Dhuit,
Dís marát.
Constatú.
Tám go maith gur magat.
Cad is anam duit?
Donald de bar sanam dom.
Cían éisiú?
Tám 8 mlíon díos.
Cáhfuil tú de chónaí?
Tám mo chónaí a seád na long.
Cé fé duine de chlán?
Tá cear am a chláán.
Cén rang na bhfuil tú?
Stop, cad é seo, fé ceist?
Anis déanaí drama din scéal.
Okay, this drama is called Dhuit, which is hello. So, vi nasa rang a tree. Nasa was in 3rd class. And vi buachal nua sa rang. There was a new boy in the class. He an buachal nua in aca le nasa. The new boy sat beside nasa. Husig nasa ag caint leis. So what does nasa say? Nasa says Dhuit. Donald says Díos Murgwich. Nasa then says Cunnas atá. How are you? Donald says Tom Gama, I'm good. Gurav Ma good. Thank you. Nasa then says Cadas anam dit. What is your name? Donald de Barra is anam dum. So Donald de Barra is my name, says Donald. Then Nasa says Cain ishtu. Donald says Tom ucht mlian a dish. I'm 8 years old. Nasa then says Cá will tu a Coney. And the boy says Tom in Macony is Shraj na Long. I live in Shraj na Long, in Long Street. Nasa then says, Cave dinner in a clan. How many people in your family? And Donald says, Tá Cahar in my clan. And then Nasa says, or Cahar is, there's 4 in my family. And then finally Nasa says, Cain wrong in a will to, what class are you in? And Donald says, stop. What is this? Cad é seo? Fiche ceist. Stop. What is this? 50 questions? I think he feels a little bit pressurized by all the questions that Nasa's given him.